I describe it as a 510-acre ecological paradise. It's quite a lengthy process, but it's amazing how quickly the land will transform from a kind of a lifeless corn and soybean field to an abundant field full of wildflowers, trees, and amphibians in our wetland systems. We estimate we've probably put in over 100,000 native trees and shrubs. So it's quite an impact on the landscape, especially when we have volunteer groups that can come in, similar to the event with Molson Coors, where we had 180 volunteers show up and plant almost 1,000 trees and shrubs. It changed that 10-acre field dramatically in just a matter of a couple hours. This project alone is calculated in collecting of almost 600,000 gallons of stormwater. So that's a huge impact for everyone downstream, but they provide so many other benefits: clean air, habitat for wildlife, and just beautify the landscape in general, right, for everyone to enjoy. We have the Milwaukee River on the eastern half of the property, and on the western half of the property we affect the Little Menominee River. All the water that we're collecting here isn't going downstream, potentially flooding basements, streets, and other villages. So we do have a big impact. Even though we're miles away from Lake Michigan and downtown, everything upstream has got to go downstream eventually.